Hello, my name is Radhika Arora, and currently I'm pursuing PGDM from FIIB, and I got placed in ICICI Lombard as a risk analyst, talking about its profile for underwriting.
How did FIIB's resources or specific programs help you secure your placement at ICICI Lombard?
So, talking about FIIB placement cell was instrumental in helping me secure my position at ICICI Lombard. The institute focused on developing industry relevant skills through programs like mock interviews, aptitude training, and case study workshops. Additionally, network opportunities through guest lectures and alumni interactions helped me understand the industry's expectations overall.
Considering ICICI Lombard's focus on insurance solutions, how do you plan to contribute to this sector based on the skills you developed at FIIB?
So, talking about FIB curriculum, it emphasized on financial analysis, risk, customized insurance sectors. It also helped me build up my analytical and problem-solving skills that own various projects and assignments, which enable me to access risk effectively and create a value-driven strategies.
Can you describe the mentoring support you received during the placement process?
So my faculty mentors provided me with the personalized guidance. They were available for me anytime. And talking about at the time of interview, so you'll not believe I called them at night or any time. They were totally available for me. They also helped me identify and work on my areas for the improvement and betterment.
How did the faculty support enhance your job readiness?
The faculty at FIIB ensured that I was well prepared for my role at ICICI Lombard by integrating the real world case study. They told me that what all consequences I can face, and they told me how I need to work upon it. Also, they played a significant role in boosting up my confidence during the time of interview.
What advice would you give to juniors aiming for a placement in the insurance sector?
So, I would advise junior to build a solid foundation in financial and risk analysis, while also developing their communication skill as client interaction. As this is the sector of risk analyst, so the client interaction will be at most that they have to work upon. It's essential to stay updated on industry trends, regulated frameworks, and yes, you'll succeed it.
What are your immediate career goals for your first year at ICICI Lombard?
So, talking about my immediate career goals at ICICI Lombard are to develop a deep understanding to the company's underwriting process as it's a profile of underwriter, contribute effectively to risk assessment and management, and deliver quality service to clients overall. Thank you.